Good luck.
What's that?
It's not snowing. Got it like in there, but I think that might be a team. Okay, close enough. I got close, so I wanted to get away, but I think we're good. Turn off the paint real quick.
Oh, that one actually blew the flame out.
Wow. No, they were blowing the flame out earlier too.
Oh, really?
That is both sides.
Wow.
Bullet in one.
Bullet in.
Piece even further than the 22. Jeez.
That's kind of amazing.
Yeah. As far as results go, I think this is closer to what I thought was going to happen. I think we're looking at a lot closer to what I thought was going to happen. That I thought the case was going to go. That's a little further than I thought it was going to go in. I thought it was going to embed in there.
We've actually got the bullet in that side.
But then we got the bullet over here.
And that
Would you say that's about 1.5 inches?
It actually bounced back a little. You can see in the front, there's a little bit of path in front of it, so probably another good 2 inches from that as well.
Awesome.
It is amazing that, I mean, it's moving those. It just shows you how much energy is in the powder, but the fact that it can move those that hard without a chamber is what's got me impressed.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, there is some. We're doing a little bit of cheating here because we've got the brick underneath it, but we really needed something that could absorb the heat, and I think it's doing it quite well. We're gonna have to move the block a little bit so it's hitting in a different place, because if we get a result like this out of the 4570.
Yeah, at this point, I kind of don't want to do the
maybe I'll do that one. 'Look.
What's that?
Nice knowing you.
$9mm bullet that we pulled out of the gel.
Once again, pristine. It's a total metal jacket, so it doesn't have the exposed. No, it does have the exposed base.
Yeah,
okay.
This is tool ammo. It's
so it's a brass
max.
jacket.
It's actually I think made by Fiocchi and brand labeled by Tool Ammo. But there's your case. Primer is blown out, but otherwise the case is in really good shape. Just for example, the 7.62 by 2.5 case looks like that. You know, it's completely ruptured. So I think the 9mm held up a lot better.
To see a remix of this video, please click in the center to go to the Wound channel. To see any of the other ammo torching videos, please click on one of the icons around the outside. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.